Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about RANKX function. This is the fifth video in this video series. So please try to watch my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on what I'm talking in today's video. Let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the demo. So timing, I have already prepared a report for today's demo purpose. Let's try to understand step by step what are the things I have done in this report. So before getting to these details, let me explain what kind of tables I have imported into this desktop. Okay, I have taken category, customer and geography, internet sales, product sales category and subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to have a look into the relationship and we can understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. Let's go to the model tab. So let me collapse here. So now you can see that the relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So these are category, subcategory, product, these are the dimension tables, and internet sales is the fact table. So we have one too many direction between the dimension table and fact table. Okay, now you can see right how the relationship is propagating between the dimension tables and fact tables. Okay, so we'll talk about relationship in upcoming videos in very great detail. So that time I'll try to explain each and every step. So what are things we need to take care while building any kind of model and all. Okay, so for timing I'll try to focus on this report. So this report, okay, here, so I have created a rank for each product wise in ascending order. Okay, so I have created a rank for each product wise in ascending order. So I will go to the this measure rank underscore 5. I'll try to zoom it. Here I have taken one variable. So within the variable I'm using the RANKX function to get the rank. So based on each product wise and total sales and also ascending order. So if the duplicates are there, the rank has to be descending, and finally I'm returning this rank. Okay, so if you see here, so so many products don't have sales. Okay, many products don't have sales, so that is the reason we are able to get one rank 1 for many products, right? So if you see here, there is a total sales are blank, so that is the reason we are able to see the rank 1, so these many products. Okay, so let me scroll down so that we can see where it ends. So from here onwards we have the sales for each product wise, so that is the reason we are getting the rank 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So we have the rank up to 128. Okay, so usually, so if you have this kind of situation, we should not display. If the total sales are blank for each product wise, we should have to eliminate those kind of products. So how to do that? So here I'm returning separate measure to explain that. So rank underscore 6. Okay, I have created a separate measure for that rank underscore 6. Go to this measure. So here, so I'm declaring a variable here. Within this variable I'm writing RANKX function. So within that, so based on the product name as well as total sales, so I'm giving the ranking, and while returning that, if the total sales are blank, so return the blank, otherwise return the rank sales. Okay, otherwise it will execute this one if the sales are not blank. So that is the reason we are getting 2, because we have sales are blank. So in this measure I have created that. I'll try to take the snipping here. here sales are blank, so we don't want to show here. No need to display the rank if the sales are blank. So that is the reason I have created a separate measure, but within this measure, so where it is, okay, so within this measure, so the rank starting from the second, because for all the first ranks we don't have sales, so I have eliminated. That is the reason it is starting from the second rank onwards, but usually that is not the case. I want to show the rank from the first onwards, each product wise, when the sales are there in descending order. So for that I have created a separate measure also. So for that I have created another measure, rank underscore 1. So here I corrected the rank underscore 1. So here I'm checking. So before giving the rank X, here I am taking filter function. Within this filter function I am checking. So I just want to return only the products having the sales. If the product is not having sales, we need to ignore it. So that is the reason I have taken not is blank total sales when the product, for each product why I want to have the sales. So like that, by using the filter function, it will iterate each row wise and it will check when the product have the sales or not. So if the product have the sales, based on that it will give the ranking. If the product doesn't have any sales, it will ignore it. So like that it will give the correct output. Okay, so if you see here 1 2 3, so rank it will start from the 1 2 3, because it's an ascending order only, it's not descending order, it's an ascending order. So why you, because why we don't have sales in this case means, so usually there is no rule that every product must be sold by customer. Maybe some products will not be sold, so that is the reason we don't have sales for those products. That is the reason we have the blank sales. Okay, so like this we can correct the ranking. So I'll go to the different pay report. Here I want to see the top products sales, so based on the dynamic. For example, if I want to see the top 3, top 5, top 7, top 10, so based on a selection I want to display the dynamically number of product sales. Okay, so for that I have created so different measures. Okay, so usually for getting the top 3 5, I have created another table, that is the rank table. So I will try to show that is also rank table. It's a disconnected table, so you can see right rank value 3 5 7 10. So based on the selection, automatically we are filtering that. So if we select 3 means only 3 top 3 product sales it will be. Okay, so top 3 least products. Okay, 5 means top least 5, top 7 means only least 7 products. Like that it will show. Based on the selection it automatically filter it. So I'll go to this rank 7, rank underscore 7, rank underscore 7. So if you see here, I have declared a variable. Within this variable, before RANKX executing, I'm just using the filter function. Within this filter function, we are ignoring if the product doesn't have any sales. So based on that, it will give the ranking on the total sales in ascending order. After that, so I have declared another variable. If the rank sales less than or equal to rank selection, it means that whatever the selection has happened, so if it is less than or equal to, give the total sales, otherwise blank. Okay, so it will execute. So again after that, if has one value, well, while calculating the total for this measure, if has one value is there, if row has at least one value product name, give the rank sales, otherwise give the total. Okay, give the total. I'm calculating the total based on the calculate on top and function, but in this case it's, I'll try to take snipping one more time. In this case, it's not giving the total, even though I have written the function. So even though I written the expression to get the total for top list product sales, it's not giving. Okay, why? Because while calculating totals, so first it is checking at what are the products don't have sales. It is calculating top 10 because we are not filtering any products which don't have sales. That is the reason we are not getting the total sales. Okay, total value in this measure. So for that I have created a separate measure rank underscore 2 to get the correct value, rank underscore 2. So here if you look at this this measure, you will get clear understanding. So already I explained all this here. So in return if has one value, if the product at least one value give the rank sales, it will execute this one. Okay, so after that calculate total sales top n. So what are the selection? For example, if you select 3 means it will come 3, 5 means 5, 7 means 7, 10 means 10. So based on the selection it will give the number. After that I'm filtering the data. In the product having the sales, only consider those product sales. Okay, so here filtering not is blank total sales for each product wise. So it means that what are the products having the sales, only count it. If the product doesn't have any sales, just ignore it. So that is the reason we are getting the correct value for the total also. Okay, here. So okay, now so this is the total sales. So based on the selection it will keep on changing. For example, if I click top 3 means top 3 sales 180.50, 5 means 5 product sales, 7 means 7, 10 means 10. If I did not select, so by default I have given 10. So 10, 7, 5, 3. So likewise it will work based on the dynamic nature. If you want to select top 5, 3, 4, whatever it is, based on the number, automatically the data is reflecting so in this report. So while calculating ascending order, it's little tricky because each product there is no necessary having sales. So if you are trying to calculate ascending order, it will give you the rank 1 by default, the products which are not having the sales. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for other videos. Please subscribe my channel.